guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a glass human using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you're going to open up Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and you're going to go to the home menu and add your prompt here. This is the prompt. Then I'm going to upload my photo. I'm going to turn the photo into a glass human. I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt, and then the AI will generate a photo for me. Alright, done guys, and these are the results. Wow, it's so cool. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to download it. Just without Pippit watermark, and I'm gonna download it. Okay guys, and that's how we can turn ourselves into a glass human using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any video or photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!